Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 12th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. 555, inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Here's our first retrace. We came down, we're pulling back, and I expect it to drop again.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, we're going to stick around because the statistical probability of this continuing to drop farther is very high at the moment. Right now, the statistical odds are the price will come back down to the 21 on our 2-minute chart. So we're going to hold out and see how it reacts at that area. If the price stays below this 21 on our 1-minute chart, we do have a statistical probability that it'll at least come back down to the 494.86 area, if not farther. Now that we're at the 21 moving average on our 2-minute chart, I want to see how the price is going to react off the 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart. If it doesn't penetrate and go farther past it, we'll close as it's dropping into it on this next bar.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.40-ish drop, ladies and gentlemen. This looks like it has a potential to go right back up. So if the price closes and opens around the 494.75 area, we're going to go back up with the market. I'm going to swap out the contract and we'll see what happens here in the next 10 seconds.
Order fill.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going back up with the market. So we're only going to put 10 cents at risk, and I will mark my charts up once we can get out of that risk. As a management plan, I'm going to leave that 10 cents at risk, and what I expect to see is the price to get through the 495.25 area. If it doesn't get back to that area and goes past that, I'm not going to move in my stop because we might chop around here for a little bit, so I don't want to be too quick to move my stop. And again, once we get closer to more or less a free trade where I can go to a break even safely, then I'll start marking up my charts and tell you what I saw. All right, so let's clear our charts and go over what I saw chart by chart. We had an H pattern with our oscillators, an H pattern with price, close enough 50 moving average bounce, going up, coming down. I expect this to take off soon. What did we have on our 2-minute chart? Let me clear it out. We had the H pattern, came down, went up, came down, 21 moving average bounce. We have a slingshot in our oscillators on our 2-minute chart. Let me clear the 5-minute out. We had Fibonacci, we impulsed up, come down, minor retracement area, 555, and we have a lightning with our oscillators. And that's why I made the decision to take this back up. Furthermore, I expect the price to get back to the high of the day, if not go past the high of the day. And right now we're exceeding a $1 move. So we're only going to lock in half the profits. And what I want to see is the price to get up to the 496.25 If it gets up that high, then we'll actually fully lock in that $1. Maybe we might go a little bit more. I want to see how this price reacts off the high of the day. Psychologically, you're going to have players to say, hey, it's a good time to short because we're coming back to the high of the day, hence the market needs to sell off. And there's also those people that have been buying at the discount. So when people are selling, it's going to cause panic buying to say, I want a piece of this action. Let me get in as well. So let's see what happens, and we'll talk through situations as they arise. All right, so let's lock in that full dollar move. As you can see, there's a lot of selling, but there's a lot more buying. And if we look at the 1 minute chart, we do have a C-type retrace. Give me a second. Let me draw this for you so you can see. So we went up, a lot of selling, but the buyers are taking over. So we have a diagonal incline indicating strength to the upside. At this point, we have a very high statistical probability this price will run all the way up to the 200 on our 5 minute chart. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're better than a $2 move right now. So once this price clears safely the 497 area, we're going to lock in that guaranteed $2 move. From there, if this price turns around, this is where it's going to turn around. If not, it's still a statistical high probability that this price will continue to go up and most likely fail at the 200 moving average on our 5 minute chart. So we're going to lock in that $2. And like always, we're going to play this move bar by bar.
Order fill.
And there's a $2.75 move up, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade was $1.40 down. Our second trade was $2.75 up, making the total for 2 trades $4.15. As always, never forget, be a pro. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen.